Good morning, students. Today we study about the mangrove ecosystem. Mangrove commonly refers to two different things: a tidal swamp ecosystem found in tropical deltas, estuaries, lagoons, or islands, and the characteristic tree species populating this ecosystem. Mangrove trees have developed unique adaptations to the harsh condition of coastal environment. They survive high amount of salinity either by excreting salt through their leaves or simply by safely keeping it within their tissue. Their root systems are shallow and partly exposed to the air, which allows them to breathe in an environment that's frequently flooded and low in oxygen. Mangrove swamps are unique ecological communities that link freshwater and oceanic ecosystems and host a rich diversity of animal species. There is a biological diversity in mangroves. Mangrove forests are an ecosystem of incredible biological diversity comprising hundreds of algae, mollusks, crustaceans, fishes, insects, reptiles, birds, and mammal species. The tree's intricate network of roots provide a shelter for many oceanic and freshwater species, for many types of angiosperms as well. While certain species spend their entire lifespan in this ecosystem, numerous fish species use the shelter of the mangrove as a nursing ground before heading to the open sea. To the extent that one-third of all marine species were born and raised in mangrove forests around the world. As a result, the mangrove well-being is central to the health of many more ecosystems. Several mangrove species have significant medicinal properties. In addition to these wealth of different uses, mangrove ecosystems are well known for their important role in fisheries health by providing a safe nursing ground for a wide range of fish larvae. They enhance the survival rate of these species in their early life stage. In addition to the important biological functions they perform, mangrove also provide crucial ecosystem services to people. Because of their high capacity to recover from natural disaster, mangroves are particularly valuable in the face of increasingly frequent and violent tropical storms and hurricanes by offering an obstacle to wind and waves. They significantly decrease the intensity of the storm while reducing its human and material toll. For example, a mangrove section of 30 trees per 0.01 hectare and with a width of 100 meter can reduce the destructive force of a tsunami by up to 90%. Their roots also play important role in trapping sediments and stabilizing shoreline facing increased erosion pressure. Besides their role in shoreline protection, mangroves constitute a valuable tool in the fight against climate change. When a tree grows, it stores carbon in its biomass, thus decreasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Mangroves perform this carbon storage mechanism particularly well, as they can store up to 5 times more carbon than an equal area of rainforest. These efficient carbon sinks are becoming increasingly relevant in the light of worsening climate change. This is all about the mangrove vegetation or mangrove ecosystem. Thank you.